Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here. Today I'm going to show you a cool plugin called WP Product Comparison. Now this plugin is different from any other product comparison plugin because it is entirely customizable and it's your choice on what you want it to do. Most of the product comparisons are kind of specific to one brand. If you remember, I did one before, a review on affiliate product comparison. It was one that was specifically for Amazon, and you just select from the options. So you'd grab your whatever you wanted if you want to do an iPhone, and then it would give you all kinds of features you want to do. Do you want to put the size in there, the price, picture? Do you want to have specs, speed, this, that? You could put all that in there and check boxes, and then it would populate the table for you. This plugin is self-populated, which means it is like a blank sheet, and you're going to put in anything you want. If you want pictures, prices, codes, names, titles, whatever you want, you put it in, and it's entirely up to you and customizable. Now, a big benefit with that is you're not tied to Amazon per se. So you could do a product comparison table and link people to Amazon, eBay, Commission Junction. You could put links in your same table for any affiliate network you want. Now, one thing that is a little bit of a disadvantage with this plugin is the only way to do that is by using HTML. So you need to know how to create your product affiliate link and put it into an HTML form and link it to an image in your table. That way when they click it, it will go to the place you want them to go. So to get started, obviously you would load up this plugin. You can see it's add new product comparison. So once you have the plugin loaded, you're going to add a new table. We're going to title this table iPhone table. And then here you can control anything you like with color, text size, shading color, header sizes, borders, or whatever you want. So we're going to leave it all the same, except I'm going to move the header up to 16, so you will see a little bit of difference with the sizing. Down here, this is the default. It starts out with a few columns and one row. So we're going to add a couple more rows, and then I'm going to get rid of one column because I am going to have an iPhone 5, iPhone 6, and an iPhone 7 for our comparison. Okay, so the first thing you could do here is place an image if you like. So we'll just title this one image, and then we're going to grab our images. Now, you can have plenty of built-in images. Now, these would be like if you want to do a rating or whether or not it has a certain feature. So like if you want to say, is it waterproof? You could put like a check mark or a thumbs up or a green circle or something like that. And if it isn't, you could put like a red X or a thumbs down or something like that. So those are all built in, fully customizable that you can use. Now, if you want to add your own image, so let's say we want an image of an iPhone 5, we can click on this little button, and it brings us to our media library where you could either upload files, or I have already uploaded some that we can use, and you can select that. Go to the next one, we'll grab an iPhone 6, and here we'll grab an iPhone 7. Again, this could be a downfall because you have to host all of these images on your website in order to use on the product comparison table. In addition, these images, when clicked, they don't really go anywhere. You could probably HTML these to go somewhere, however then it might not retrieve this image, so you would have to do this within your WordPress editor and get like another plugin that could put image links in images. So then after that, we're going to give these maybe a rating, so you can see that feature. And we'll just do stars. So let's rate this one as 3 stars. We'll rate this one as 4 stars. And we'll rate this one as 5 stars. Getting people to buy the iPhone 7. Okay, then down here, obviously you need a place for these people to go. So we're going to use Amazon for this one. Just go to your Amazon affiliate links, and you can create your own HTML links through there. They provide you with all of the code and the banners. This way you do not have to know how to make HTML. You can simply copy it from them. So we'll go here. This is iPhone 5, and we'll copy that. Paste it right in there. Go here and grab the iPhone 6. Paste it right there. and we'll go here and grab the iPhone 7 and we'll paste it right there. Okay, so our table is complete. Obviously you could add more rows and columns if you wanted to do another iPhone, or if you wanted to get into iPhone 6 Pluses, 7 Pluses, or if you wanted to do more rows on, maybe you want a price in there, or sizes, dimension, colors, anything you'd like. You can fully add or subtract any columns or rows. Now, let's say you messed up and you wanted to put the rating above the picture. That's no problem, because you could click it and drag it right up there and move it around. So no problem there. You don't have to delete it and start over. Now our table is pretty good, so we're going to hit publish. Okay, now it's published, so you could take this little short code right here and put it right in your WordPress post editor, and this table would populate. Or you can try it with this view post option. So we're just going to try it there and see how it looks. And it doesn't work. Fancy that. Let's try the short code. So posts, we're going to add a new post. Okay, we'll title this iPhone. We'll put our short code in. We're going to publish the post. And let's view the post. And it doesn't work. Okay, so that's no surprise. This is I've tried this many times and still can't get it to work. So therefore, the plugin is great because you can fully customize everything. However, if it's not going to work, then it's not going to work. So I would say you could get this plugin at your own risk. But basically, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So what's the point? And the fact that you have fully customizable HTML, a lot of people don't know that. And with HTML, like we copied it right from Amazon and put it in here. So one thing to note is that the Amazon codes, this is a lot of iframes and there are a lot of spaces. Well, maybe the spaces don't populate in here. You can see we have, all these, it's a long thing, and then this. So I don't know, maybe, but nobody wants to be messing around with code like that unless you know code very well. And if you do, then it's fine. But if you don't, this is more of a hassle than it's worth. Get a different plugin that will allow you to check from boxes and select from there. So that is the affiliate product comparison review. I would say if you know code or HTML, then it's a great plugin to use. If not, stick with one that is pre-branded and you can check from boxes and it populates a table for you.